Affiliate marketing isn't just trending in 2025, it's become one of the smartest, most scalable ways to build an online income stream without ever creating your own product, managing customer service, or dealing with inventory. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched someone on YouTube casually recommend a product, or seen a creator drop a link in bio on Instagram or TikTok, and wondered how they're making money just by sharing something they didn't even create? That's affiliate marketing, and it's not a gimmick. It's a real business model that's powering thousands of six-figure incomes, side hustles turned full-time gigs, and even fully automated revenue streams. Here's the crazy part. Most people think you need a massive following or a ton of tech skills or to be some kind of super salesperson to make it work. But in reality, all you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a game plan. In fact, some of the most successful affiliate marketers today started with zero traffic, no email list, and just a blog or a basic YouTube channel. They didn't have fame, they had strategy. What makes affiliate marketing so powerful, especially in 2025, is that it's more accessible than ever. The platforms are more user-friendly, the tools are smarter, and the consumer mindset has shifted. People trust recommendations from creators they follow more than ever before. That means if you can provide real value through content, storytelling, or honest reviews, people will click. And when they click, you get paid. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-paid consistently system. Affiliate marketing flips the traditional idea of making money. You're not trading time for money, you're building content and systems that work for you in the background while you sleep, while you're on vacation, even while you're building your next big thing. You don't need to be an expert in marketing, you just need to understand how to connect the right people to the right offer. Think about it, you probably already recommend products to your friends and family all the time. Books you love, tools you use, apps you swear by. The only difference is that affiliate marketing turns those casual recommendations into income. And in 2025, the opportunity is even bigger. With trends like AI tools, remote work, personal finance apps, and digital education exploding, there are more affiliate products than ever, and more people actively searching for them online. Your voice, your platform, your content can help guide those buyers and earn you commissions every step of the way. So if you're tired of trying to figure out the right way to make money online, or you've tried drop shipping, freelancing, or running ads and it just didn't click, this might be the missing piece. Stick with me because I'm about to walk you through exactly how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, step by step, with the tools, platforms, and tactics that are working right now. Affiliate marketing is simple, but make no mistake, it's powerful. Here's the core concept. You promote someone else's product, and when someone clicks your special link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You didn't create the product, you didn't have to ship anything, and you don't need to handle customer service. It's like digital word of mouth, only this time it's trackable, scalable, and fully monetized. Now, if you're wondering, okay, cool, but how does that actually work? Let me break it down for you step by step. There are 4 key players in the affiliate marketing ecosystem. First, there's the merchant, also known as the creator or the company behind the product. They're the ones who have something to sell. It could be a physical item like fitness equipment or skincare. It could be a digital tool like an AI writing app or a course. They set up an affiliate program to incentivize people like you and me to help spread the word. Then there's the affiliate, and yes, that's you. You're the promoter. Your role is to connect the right people to the right products. And when that connection leads to action, like a sale, a sign up, or a download, you get paid. Third, you got the consumer, the person who's browsing your blog, watching your video, scrolling your feed, and eventually clicking your link. The value they get from your content is what drives the decision to take action. And finally, sometimes there's an affiliate network. Think of it like a middleman platform. It manages the relationship between merchants and affiliates. It gives you your links, tracks clicks and conversions, and makes sure you actually get paid. Examples: ClickBank, Impact, PartnerStack, and Warrior Plus are all big ones, so that's the ecosystem. Now let's talk about something that separates amateurs from people who actually succeed in affiliate marketing: choosing your niche. And listen, this part matters a lot. Your niche is the topic you'll build content around, the audience you'll serve, and the type of offers you'll promote. If you skip this step or pick randomly, you'll end up with scattered content, confused followers, and no conversions. So how do you choose the right niche? Ask yourself these 3 questions. What topics am I genuinely interested in? Because let's be real, if you're not excited about it, you won't stick with it. Is there demand? Use tools like Google Trends or SEMrush to make sure people are searching for this stuff. Are there affiliate products available? It could be the coolest niche ever, but if there's nothing to promote, you're wasting your time. In 2025, there are several red hot niches you can tap into. AI tools and automation platforms, personal finance like credit repair, budgeting apps, investing tools, remote work and freelancing software, ergonomic gear, digital services, sustainable living, eco-friendly products, clean beauty, ethical fashion, digital education, online courses, learning platforms, and more. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to join affiliate programs. Start simple. Don't overthink it. Programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, and Impact.com are great for beginners. They're easy to join, give you access to tons of products, and they provide built-in tracking tools. Don't try to sign up for everything at once. Pick a couple that align with your niche and build from there. And now comes the fun part, building your online presence. This is where your affiliate career really starts. Think of your platform like a storefront. It's where people come to learn, to browse, to trust, and eventually to buy. Now, you don't need to be on every platform. That's a fast track to burnout. Instead, start with one main platform based on your strengths. If you love writing and SEO, start a blog. If you're good on camera or love visuals, YouTube is a gold mine. If you're more into quick content and storytelling, TikTok and Instagram can drive crazy reach fast. Whichever platform you choose, make sure you build it intentionally. Focus on value first content that helps, teaches, entertains, and inspires. What does that look like in action? It could be tutorials that show someone how to use a tool you recommend, product reviews where you give honest pros, cons, and use cases, comparison videos or articles like Notion versus Evernote, which productivity tool wins in 2025. The goal here isn't just to sell, it's to serve. When people feel like you're genuinely helping them make better decisions, they click. And when they click, you earn. And finally, let's not forget the secret weapon behind every serious affiliate marketer, your tech stack. Affiliate marketing may look like content on the surface, but behind the scenes, it's a system powered by smart tools. You need tools for keyword research and SEO to get your content seen, link tracking and management to keep your affiliate links organized and optimized, email automation to build your list and nurture your audience, analytics to see what's actually working and double down on it. I use tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs for SEO, Pretty Links for affiliate link management, and Aweber for automated emails. These aren't just nice to haves, they help you work smarter, not harder. The bottom line is this: affiliate marketing is accessible, powerful, and profitable, but only if you treat it like a real business. That means getting clear on your niche, choosing the right programs, building a strong online presence, and using the right tools to grow. If you've been waiting for a sign to finally start your affiliate journey, this is it. So let's bring it all together. Affiliate marketing in 2025 isn't about getting lucky. It's not about hoping one of your videos goes viral or waiting for an algorithm to bless your content. It's about strategy. It's about consistency. And most of all, it's about playing the long game with intention. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. What you do need is a plan, a clear, focused roadmap. Because when you understand how this business model works, and it is a business, you stop chasing random hacks and you start building something sustainable. Here's the truth: the people earning steady income through affiliate marketing today, they aren't smarter than you. They aren't luckier than you. They just started and they stuck with it. They picked a niche. They built a platform. They created value-first content that helped people, and they optimized over time with tools, data, and smart strategy. And the best part, you can do the exact same thing starting today. Look, the internet is flooded with information, but most of it is either overwhelming, outdated, or just straight up hype. That's why I put together a complete no-fluff breakdown in the full blog post linked in the description below. If you're serious about building an income stream through affiliate marketing, this is where you go next. Inside the blog, I walk you through how to choose a niche that actually makes money, the best affiliate networks and programs for beginners in 2025, how to build your website or platform step by step, what tools to use to track, automate, and scale your efforts, and the strategies real affiliates are using right now to earn passive income month after month. This isn't about theory, it's practical, real-world stuff you can implement right away, whether you're starting from scratch or trying to finally get traction after months of trying. So here's your next move. Hit the link in the description and dive into the full guide. It's packed with examples, templates, and pro tips that'll save you time, help you avoid the common traps, and get you building momentum fast. Because this isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose how you work, where you work, and what kind of future you want to create. Affiliate marketing can give you that, not overnight, but over time. So if you're ready to stop watching and start building, let's go. Let's build your digital income engine one link at a time.